A one-day seminar on roles of nursing service units and responsibilities of nurse managers was organized by the National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives in Kebbi, the state capital. The association collaborates nursing department of the hospital, where Nurse Joy Amedu presented a paper on the roles of nursing service unit and responsibilities of nurse managers in a hospital. She said as nurses they should work together so as to achieve the aims and objectives of the profession and care for their patients with the fear of God. She urged nurses managers to be up and doing in managing their affairs. She called on nurses working in the state to see themselves as one.
It's about the role of the nursing service unit and the responsibilities of ward managers in the hospital. The reason is that a hospital is an important place where we care for patients, and for our patients to have maximum nursing care with quality assurance being ensured, all unit managers have to put their hands on deck. Thus, we need the presentation in order to help us to enhance our performance as ward managers. And also the nursing service unit has to perform maximally, and that calls for the need of this presentation to remind nurses on their roles in patient care.
The head nursing department, Sayahaya Memorial Hospital, Kebbi, Abubakar Kadi, said the program will help in bringing nurses together to work as one without intimidating anyone, and they will do all within their powers as nurses managers to be fair to all, and will look into the possibilities of rewarding hard work.
This is just all about to enhance the skills and the knowledge of our unit heads, those in charges of the respective ward and units, so that to know their responsibility, how paramount it is, how they can go along, because the best they can do is what will produce good productivity in the course of our day-to-day rendering care to our patients. We wanted to make it a routine, gradually, quarterly or bi-quarterly at least, to do it so that to brainstorm, to train and retrain, to replace our distance so that more and more will come in.
The chairman, National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, Sayahaya Memorial Hospital, Kebbi, Yusuf A. Yusuf, said the program is being organized on monthly basis with the aim of uniting nurses in the state, attend to their welfare, and inculcate into the upcoming nurses the spirit of togetherness, mutual understanding. As the closest to patients, punctuality should be their watchword.
This program is organized by National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, Sayahaya Memorial Hospital Unit Branch, in order to bring all our nurse managers and nurse administrators together to see how they can acquire the skills that will enable them to discharge their responsibility as nurse managers. And that can go a long way in improving the care, the quality of care we give to our patients, and also curb a lot of litigations that are now becoming rampant in medical field at large.
There were comments, observations and suggestions from some nurses, among whom the state chairman, National Association of Nigerian Nurses and Midwives, Kilani Abdulwaliyu.
You need to revitalize, to add to what the presenter have said. In the leadership, to the managers, let us adopt the system of carrot and stick theory. Bring back the system of all this, where you reward the hard-working nurses and give the best nurse award inside. It is not always good about firing. It is not always good about bullying. We are good in punishing. We are very, very poor in rewarding. Anytime there is problem, all we are good in doing is to fire. When we are on ward round, the only thing you observe is when there is loopholes. On the issue of annual Best Nurse Award, sir, please, if it is possible, I know it's even possible because you have been doing it, and I know, let me even thank you in anticipation of your approval, that you are going to approve it now. Revitalize the committee, let the committee kickstart, and let them start working, so that at least there will be date that we are going to fix for Sahel. Let that missing glory come back again to the limelight. You can do it, and I believe you have all it takes in order to rejuvenate this system in Sahel.
Muhammad Salisu Shatima reporting for Kebbi TV News.